will talk about the major insights and updates from Google's Search on 2022 event, the completion of Google core and product review updates, and Instagram's in-app media kit creation for creators. So let's start. Welcome to Infidigit's digital marketing news series, where we talk about the top digital marketing updates you should know about. So should we start with today's video? Let's go. Firstly, let's talk about the Google core and product review updates rollout. Google quietly announced the rollout completion via its search ranking updates pages. The September 2020 core update and product review update launched on September 12 and September 20 respectively. But the updates finished rolling out on September 26th. Next, let's talk about Google's Search on 2022 event. We got some major updates from the search giant, so let's break it down. The first on the list is about online discussions and forums. Google is adding a new addition to search results that highlights what people say about a topic in online discussions and forums. The feature expands on the search company's efforts to serve links to relevant forum posts. Next, Google announced that its About This Results section now highlights if results are personalized. The search giant will now show users whether the results of such queries are personalized. It will show users if a query result is personalized or not. Next, we have a major announcement about the 5 changes coming to mobile search. First is Google Search Shortcuts, where you can find products by uploading screenshots, translating text with Google Lens, or even finding songs by humming into the microphone. Second is finding things in mobile search faster by displaying links to results in the search bar. Third is enhancing query refinements, where Google will make it easier to find the most relevant results. Fourth is Google Web Stories, where Google is making mobile searches more visual with deeper integration. Finally, Google is turning mobile search results pages into an endless feed of discovery, where the search giant describes this combination of text, images, and video on the same page, a reimagining of the way it delivers search results. The final news from the Search On event is regarding the local SEO, where the changes will include searching for restaurants by dishes, discovering restaurant specialities, more support for digital menus, enhancements to the Google Maps' live view, aerial view of famous landmarks, immersive view, and neighborhood vibe checks. Finally, let's talk about Instagram's media kit for creators. Instagram's new in-app media kit creation option will guide creators through building their pitch to brands to secure more influencer marketing deals. Instagram has added a new intro flash screen for its media kit, which it's now calling Creator Portfolio. The benefit of the Creator Portfolio over a Creator Marketplace listing is that it will enable creators to share their profile directly with potential partners in-app. That's it from today's episode. We hope you found our latest video insightful. If you did, click the red subscribe button below and click on the bell icon to get notified of our latest offerings. We have added all the news links and links to our social media platforms in the description below. That's it for now. See you next week with another episode.